The Twin Creek Preserve is a Mill Creek Alliance project originally completed in 2012. The goal was to restore segments of the Mill Creek and East Fork Mill Creek, resulting in improved water quality and biological life to achieve full water quality attainment. Part of the design was the construction of a 5-acre pulsed riparian wetland. A riparian zone is an area related to or situated on the banks of a body of water. It can often be seen as the transition zone from a predominantly wet area to a drier, upland zone with less water-saturated soil. The wetland was designed to have a flow from the Mill Creek and East Fork Mill Creek whenever these streams rose to a certain elevation. The wetland is connected to the streams with two pipes with backflow prevention flapper gates originally made of a heavy cast iron. Additional water is added from the runoff at Best Place Drive, the adjacent parking lots, and soccer fields, which all drain into a swale. A swale is a low or hollow trench that can funnel the water into the wetland habitat. Natural precipitation in the form of snow or rain, for example, also saturates the landscape. This water is then filtered through the wetland before re-entering Mill Creek. Based on more than 8 years of observation, adjustments were deemed necessary to improve wetland functionality. These modifications include connecting the wetland to the base flow of the East Fork Mill Creek, connecting more frequently to the main stem of Mill Creek, and allowing flow to enter through the pipes with greater ease by replacing the heavy cast iron flapper gates with a lighter aluminum gates. There are numerous benefits of this project. The first and most important benefit is that a larger percentage of this land will become wetlands due to the improved hydrology. This will drive the soil to be more hydric and ecologically more valuable for wetland vegetation, as well as outcompeting invasive species. Numerous water quality benefits will be derived from this wetland. The base flow of the East Fork Mill Creek is primarily the discharge of Butler County Upper Mill Creek Water Reclamation Facility. While this facility meets its discharge requirements, diverting a portion of the creek flow to the wetland will further polish this water by sequestering any residual carbon, nitrogen, phosphates, and metals that may remain. Already, a bald eagle, large mammals, and numerous insect species claim this habitat as their home, but this wetland, wildlife, and flood control area is also teeming with birds of all kinds and is considered a birding hotspot. Twin Creek Preserve is located in the Upper Mill Creek watershed in Sharonville, Ohio, and is open to the public from dawn to dusk. Guests can enjoy nature and wildlife observation from multiple viewing points while strolling around the wetlands along a walking trail with informative signage.